Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To clean out your machine, simply add up to 4 dishwasher tablets to the drum of your machine, and put it on a normal hot wash, without any washing in it, of course. The proof of how great it works is really in the water you'll see as the cycle goes along. 1 February 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
The method is simple. Dip the dishwasher tablet into warm water and then rub it up and down the shower screen, focusing on the areas with the most soap scum. Overall, it did really clean the soap scum off, and it's relatively easy, and if you own a dishwasher you'll already have tablets in the cupboard.
Let's help you make your mark.
Single-dose detergent packs should be placed in the dispenser. Tossing one into the bottom of the dishwasher will cause it to dissolve too quickly during the pre-wash, leaving no detergent for the main wash portion of the cycle. 30 July 2014.
Take our lead.
The hack, which has been popular in the Facebook group Mums Who Clean, involves putting up to 4 dishwasher tablets into your washing machine drum and running a hot cycle. These products have been tested, give excellent results, and are what we recommend to clean your washing machine.
Let's help you make your mark.
Top 15 Best Washing Machine Cleaners on the Market 2021, Reviews. A Fresh 6 Tablets Washing Machine Cleaner. Best Overall, EcoGals Eco Swirls Washing Machine Cleaner. Best Budget, Lemmy Shine Natural Washing Machine Cleaner. HIWILL Washing Machine Cleaner. Tide Washing Machine Cleaner. Oh Yuck Washing Machine Cleaner. The 8th of March 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.